Alright you guys, today I'm gonna work in a Project Neo beta. And I just wanted to test some new updates with related to animation. I thought it's gonna be really exciting, but unfortunately I cannot recommend the software yet because it's like in crucial futures and the process is like really manual. Now this was on my schedule and I was really excited to try it out, but probably next time I'm gonna do this in Blender instead. So this is the design that caught my attention. So I also decided to make a really cool American sign with those vintage vibes. So this is going to work only with SVJ. So now we're going to go into Project Neo. Now before starting this project, make sure to use Google Chrome. So let's go here to the create. I'm going to remove the basic shapes. And here we got the import SVJ. Let's go and select the logo, hit open. Here at the top you can rotate it. And then here at the left, you can rotate it up or down. All right, so next we're gonna go here to the layers. And as you can see here, we got one single layer, everything is grouped, nothing is separated. And when you open this up, you can see all the paths ungrouped, so we don't know what is what. So first what I'm gonna do is get rid of the most complicated part, which are these dots. So I'm gonna press and hold shift and I'm gonna select all the dots. I'm gonna try to select them all. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna need to do this one by one, or if you know like a better solution how to select them all at the same time, let me know in the comment section. So now I selected everything. Now I'm gonna need to group it. Press Ctrl G. Let's go and view this from the side. I'm also gonna bring the dots a little bit up. And here we got this dot here. If you bring this up, it is going to scale down these elements. So pretty much we're going to do the same thing with the rest. I'm going to select this guy. And for example, I'm going to go to this little rectangle and bring this down. So now I'm going to need to go to the other one. I'm going to select, probably this is the one, I guess. Yeah, there you go. And then select the next one and so on and so forth. We're going to need to animate. That is going to go 360, and for that what we need to do is make the whole concept in a way that is going to be visible in both sides. So it's going to be the same way at the top and the same way at the bottom. So basically it should look something like this. This is the upside down version versus the top version. So there's like a couple of animations you can do. For example, I'm going to go here to the layers and select one of the paths. And let's go to the settings, to the properties, select motion, and here you can add a motion. I'm gonna go with the wobble, and it is going to wobble. I'm gonna decrease it to 0.004. You also can slow it down with the cycle time. Let's go back to the layers, select another layer, and go to properties. Because it is grouped, there's like only one option here, the motion. So let's go with that. I'm gonna repeat the same step. And this is how it's gonna look when all the layers are wobbling. So by the way, you also can make this spin. So we go back here to the layer, select the SVJ group here, and then let's go to the properties. And here you can see it is going to show only one option, the motion. Click on the plus and select spin. And then here we're gonna need to select the Z. And it is going to spin it this way. And cycle time, I'm gonna increase that. Right now it is glitching and it's really slow because I'm recording on 4K plus it is animating, but so far this is how it looks. So pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.